welcome to Dirty Dog Digger's Dog Show, Costume Dog Show. We are with Gunner,
Carson,
and
Heather, my mom.
That's right, and Heather did our makeup, and this is Gunner. Ah!
Whoa. He bit me! Oh, it's the wrong way.
And he is going to spin to see who won the dog costume show.
Wait, I gotta press the name.
You gotta push the button. You gotta wait. We'll be back to you in a minute so I can switch this around.
Mama.
Alrighty, Gunner's getting ready to spin to find out who the winner of the dog show costume is. Spin it.
You gotta wait. That's not the spinner. It's a commercial or ad.
Oh.
Okay, ready? We're ready now. The baby's crying. Scooby!
Scooby's the winner. Picker Rick's dog.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Where are you? We got some work to do
now. Yay! Picker Rick and Scooby. Do your dance, Gunner. Do your dance. Yeah, do the dance. Happy dance. Scooby's the winner. Scooby's the winner. Congratulations, Picker Rick won. Heather's getting Carson.
Can somebody do this?
Oh my goodness. So Picker Rick, get a hold of us and we'll be glad this. What's Scooby gonna get?
A present.
A present. Say congratulations.
Congratulations, Snoopy. Scooby-Doo.
Scoopy-doopy-doo. Congratulations, and thank you all that participated in the Halloween Costume Dog Show. Oh.